We just installed a remote starter in this 2017 Volkswagen Beetle. We install it on his factory fob, so there's no additional fobs needed for this, as well a no subscription smartphone remote starter, so you can lock, unlock, remote start the vehicle from his smartphone with no subscription and GPS tracking. First, I'm going to show you how it works with the factory remote. So you're going to press lock, unlock, lock. You're going to give it a couple seconds for the vehicle to do its check. The vehicle starts right up. You can also shut it down from the OEM remote just by doing the same thing over again. So you're going to press lock again, unlock, and press lock. And it shuts it right down. I'm now going to show you how it works from the actual phone. So here we'll tap lock. Show the vehicle has locked. If we hit unlock, the vehicle unlocks. Now let's hit remote start. Press that button, hold it down until the blue circle goes all the way around. The vehicle has received the signal, and it starts right up. And then we'll also now see the runtime on the actual phone, letting you know you have 15 minutes until the vehicle shuts down again. You could extend it as well, so if the 15-minute runtime is not enough for you, if you press down the remote starter button again, it will reset that time. This is the stop button. The vehicle shuts down. And then if you hit position, this will load the position of the vehicle in a GPS like map view. However, we are currently in a test mode for the client, so I can't show you at the moment. But once we transfer the ownership of this test mode into the client's phone, the position will work. There's a bunch of other awesome features that's included with this smartphone app. We would love to show you guys how it works. Please fill out the contact form on the website and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Stop by. We'll show you everything that's included with this product. The owner of this vehicle is a really good client of ours, and I really hope you enjoy your new product on your 17 Beetle.